Can a 100-gallon propane tank be refilled or must it be replaced after a certain amount of time?
Hello everyone. Today we're addressing an important question many homeowners and businesses ask. Can a 100-gallon propane tank be refilled or must it be replaced after a certain amount of time? It's vital to know the answer to this because it directly impacts safety, cost efficiency, and sustainability.
Can a 100-gallon propane tank be refilled?
The short answer is yes. Propane tanks, including 100-gallon variants, are designed for multiple uses. They are typically refilled by a propane delivery service. This involves pumping propane from a delivery truck into your tank. Once emptied, they don't have to be discarded or replaced, but can be topped up again and again. However, it's crucial to have your propane tank serviced and inspected regularly to ensure it remains in good working order. There might be instances where the tank needs to be replaced, such as when it's no longer safe to use due to damage or age.
Must a propane tank be replaced after a certain amount of time?
The lifespan of a propane tank greatly depends on its conditions of use and maintenance, but generally, a well-maintained propane tank can last for 30 to 40 years. But, the law does require that a propane tank be replaced after a certain amount of time. This time frame varies by jurisdiction, so you should always check your local regulations. In addition, it's essential to replace your tank if it shows signs of wear and tear, such as rust, cracks, or other physical damage. Regular inspections by qualified professionals will help identify these issues early, keeping you safe and prolonging your tank's life. In conclusion, yes, a 100-gallon propane tank can indeed be refilled. It doesn't have to be replaced every time it's emptied. But remember, safety first. The tank's lifespan and the regulations in your area determine whether or when it needs to be replaced. Regular inspections are crucial. We hope this video has helped clear up some common misconceptions about propane tanks. Remember, when handled correctly, propane is a safe and efficient source of energy. Thanks for watching.